So police has released the names of 12 people that were killed in an accident that happened yesterday. Let me just read post Yavo Panap. Hans update on a fatal road traffic accident at the 27-kilometer peg along Blawayo Bridge Road, Eskodini. Reference is made to the Zimbabwe Republic Police message posted on X platform regarding a fatal road traffic accident which occurred on 16 April 2026 at around 12:45 hours at the 27-kilometer peg along Blawayo Bridge Road. The police has established that 12 people were killed after a Toyota Quantum carrying 11 passengers exploded. 12 which driver, passengers 11. So confusing, people. So the Zimbabwe Republic Police releases the names of 9 of the 12 victims who were positively identified by their next of kin as listed. Tabani Moyo, 37, a male adult of Old Lobengula, Blawayo. Nobuhle Mhlongwa, 37, a female adult of Entumbani, Blawayo. Oscar Mhlongwa, 44, a male adult. Sicelisile Mabena, a female adult of Nkulumani 5, Blawayo. Sibusiso Mabena 5, a male juvenile of Nkulumani 5, Blawayo. Hlupeki Limankani Sibanda, 36, a male adult of Nkulumani, Blawayo. Thaddeus Ncube, a male adult. Precious Moyo, 36, a female adult of Pumla North, Blawayo. Promise Brian Gadadela, a male adult. The bodies of the victims were taken to United Blawayo Hospital mortuary for post-mortem. The cause of explosion is yet to be established. More details to be released in due course. So I think the information ingoripo izvezvi nemazita 9 iwawo. Vamwe 3 vachaudzwa kuti ndanani. So probably ndo vanga vangorimo chete because it was like patanchingotaura nyaya yacho it was like 18 or plus or minus 18 ndo vanhu vanga vari mukombi. So far I think kuti mapurisa vaona kuti vanga vari 12 if ndofunga kana vanyatsopedza kunyatsoona zvinhu zvacho zvese nekucollector kuona ndofunga vatoona kuti there were actually 12 not 18 people vaienda kuSouth Africa. May their soul continue to rest in peace. Zvinhu zvacho so ameno I don't know. Maona mazera acho ma 30 something ndo vanhu vacho. I think the oldest was 44. Yeah, 44 in this instance. The rest, 36, 37, 36, 37, same age group and from the same families as well. Because ndaona wakafanana anamulongwa, Mhlongwa, I don't know, I2, then Mabena I2, then the rest masene makasiyana, but anyway, ihama nehama dzatiri kutaura nezvadzo panapo vaibva kurufu 1. Kana kuti hama neshamwari ipapo I don't know, but anyway, may their soul rest in peace. Pane vari kutoti this was zvinhu zvemumaini chaizvo zvinoshandiswa zviya ndo chaizvo apa. Regai tivasiye vaite ma-investigations ava ari complete. Tisanyanyomhanyira kuti chakati pamwe hazvisi zvinenge zvisiri izvozvo zvatiri kufungira. You'll be surprised kuti pachapera ma-investigations vachaburitsa kuti chii pama-investigations avo ipapo. And it's a lesson to almost everyone ari panapa ari kunzwa nyaya iyi kuti kana uchienda anyway, please make sure that you consider others as well, and you also consider drivers consider kuti vamunenge makatakura. Munhu wese angove nekakuda kungoti kuzvikadai so maona manje.